Welcome back, everybody. Another beautiful day here. Today we're going to be reviewing this Haloview BT7 tire pressure monitoring system. It also is a backup camera. So I'm going to unbox it here and see what else it comes with. So opening it up, it comes with several different mounts, wires. Here's the actual screen itself. Wow, it has some weight to it. It is a 7-inch screen, nice and big. Yeah, really nice quality. Okay, I've pulled out the manual so that we can look at the parts list here and make sure everything's here. So we got the screen, we got the camera, we've got the wires. These must be the actual tire pressure monitors, which I have 2, 4, 6 of. Good, because I got 6 tires. And some signal boosters. So cards on the table, I did actually open this the other day and just skim through the manual to make sure that it would work for me, which it should. And there was a little sticky pad that holds the mount on, and the directions said, you know, it's best to put it on the dashboard, wait at least 24 to 48 hours before actually mounting the camera system to it, or the monitor rather, probably because it does have some weight to it. I mean, yeah, it really does feel of good quality. Anyways, so I did do that the other day, so it's ready to go. Oh my goodness, would you be quiet? These crows will not stop today. But it did come with 2 mounts. This one has the backing to go on, you know, like on your window or your windshield, but I'm going to use the other one and put it right on my dashboard. It does also come with 2 sets of wires for the monitor itself, so you can either just, you know, put it in an existing cigarette lighter, or it comes with a USB to micro, or USB-C, USB-A, I think, to USB-C. So many charging cords these days, it's hard to keep track of the names of them. But yeah, big on one side, small on the other. So that's the one I'm going to use. It also has, you know, the antennas, and everything is marked. These ones say monitor, so I'm going to assume they go on the back of this. So let's go ahead and screw those on. There we go. And then the Type-C just plugs right into the side, and that's how it will get its power. And then I can just plug that into my dashboard. Okay, well, there's more in here than I thought. They give you several different wire configurations. Probably because some rigs, like mine, is already wired for a camera. So depending on the manufacturer, you know, one will work for you over the other. I'm not exactly sure what I have in mind because we haven't got that far yet. But I'm hoping it'll be a quick, you know, easy connection. Here's the camera itself for the backup camera. And what else do they have down here? A bunch of zip ties. That's probably to hold on these Haloview signal boosters. Batteries for the tire pressure sensors. Little wire ends. A little cleaning cloth. A few different mounts for the camera. Screws. Yeah, so it comes with everything you need.